Hi, this is Jasmine from ENTTEC, and today we have a short video on how to create shapes and line them up in ELM in the Stages section. First thing we have to do is add strips and put in the total number of LEDs for the entire shape. Now click on the drop box for shapes and select the shape you want to create. You can either have it proportional or you can stretch the shape over the width and height of the canvas. Make sure everything else is correct and press add. Now you have the first shape. From here, you can resize it. If you hold down Shift, it'll keep the current proportions and move it around the canvas. Once it's the correct size, duplicate the shape and type in the number of duplications you want. In this case, we want 5 extra duplications. Tip: to deselect everything, click and drag an empty area. Then select the shapes and put them in roughly the correct spot. Once they are roughly in the correct spot, we are going to line them up. We need to make sure they are the same on the y-axis. So copy and paste the y value for each shape. Now to make sure they line up on the x-axis. Get your calculator and the x position and the width. Add them two together and put that as the x position for the second shape. Add another 217, which is the width for our diamond, and that's the X position for the third shape. Repeat that for all of the shapes. Now they are lined up perfectly, let's make them a bundle by selecting them all and right-click on the layer on the right and clicking Bundle. Let's duplicate the bundle and put it just below the original one. To make it line up exactly, make sure the x-axis is the same and the y is the y of the original plus the height. Now you have 12 diamonds perfectly lined up in 2 rows of 6. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you think there's anything we've missed, then put it in the comments below. Otherwise, if you have enjoyed this video and want to hear more tips and tricks or just stay up to date with ENTTEC news and products and be notified when we go live, then hit that like and subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you.